Now let's look at the NPV function or the net present value function. This function calculates the net present value of an investment by using a discount rate and a series of future payments and income. The syntax is equal to NPV. We have rate, which is a rate of discount per period. It is the required argument. Then value 1 is a required argument, and subsequent values, value 2 to value 254, are optional arguments. Okay, and the value argument represents the payment and income. Now the cash flow or value argument period must be fixed. The payments or income must occur at end of each period. Other thing to notice is the NPV function does not take into account the initial cost of investment or the cash flow at time 0. Let's see an example of this. Here we need to calculate the net present value of a business with 70,000 as initial cost of business. The cash flows for first, second, third and fourth year are 60,000, 40,000, 30,000 and 25,000 respectively, and the discount rate is 9%. So we have discount rate of 9%, initial cost of business is minus 70,000, and then we have cash flow of 60,000, 40,000, 30,000 and 25,000. So we need to calculate NPV. So we'll start doing by putting equal to sign NPV star parenthesis, and here we need to give rate. Rate is the discount rate, which is 9%, then comma. Now we need to put value 1, value 2, etc. We don't have to put initial cost of business because the function doesn't take that into consideration. So we have 60,000, 40,000, comma 30,000, comma 25,000. Close the parenthesis and we get the net present value of 129,589.21. Now we need to remember that the initial cost does not include in the function. The initial cost is not included in the function. To calculate true NPV of the investment, we must subtract the initial cost of investment from the value written by NPV formula. Hence the true NPV value is 129,589.21 as NPV function has written, minus the 70,000 what we had invested as initial cost of business. So true value of NPV is 59,589.21.